This tutorial is on creating add-ons in G Suite files. In this particular case, we're going to be working in a Google Doc. The process is relatively straightforward, but if you've not done it before, it might feel a little foreign. So the first thing you're going to do is, as you can see, I've opened up a blank document, and I'm going to go to the Add-ons tab towards the top here, and go down towards the bottom to select Get Add-ons. The page that opens up is going to be a list of all the available add-ons that are third-party tools um, to make available for G Suite. And in this case, we're going to be looking for the Avery add-on. So I'm going to type in Avery in the search. You'll see it comes up as a Avery label merge. Simply going to click the free button. It's going to ask me to what account I want to make this in. So I'm going to select my district Google account, click allow on the next screen, and you'll notice if I give it a second here, it populates this blank spreadsheet with the instructions for how to make, in this case, the label merge. So all I would do is follow these instructions, create a merge, and then the next time I wanted to come back and use this, I go back up to the add-ons and find the Avery label merge, and I'd select either a new one or open one that I had done previously.